A split verdict for Joseph Yurich, charged in connection with a fatal boating crash 2 years ago. First News reporter Yurich explains why Yurich was convicted on some of the charges against him, but not all.
I know that this case has been incredibly difficult and emotional.
Mahoning County Judge John Durkin thanked both sides for their efforts the last week and a half in the Joseph Yurich trial. The physician from Poland had been charged with causing a fatal boat crash 2 years ago at Berlin Reservoir that killed a man from Akron and injured his fishing partner. Although prosecutors had claimed Yurich was drinking the night of the mishap, the judge ruled today they failed to prove a key factor in the case, that Yurich was actually drunk.
In this case, every witness, and most importantly, Lieutenant Johnson, testified that they saw no obvious signs of impairment.
Without that fact, Judge Durkin said he could not find Yurich guilty of the more serious aggravated vehicular homicide, instead convicting him on a misdemeanor count. The judge did, however, find Yurich acted negligently that night.
The defendant's negligence was, in fact, the proximate cause of the death of Neil Cuppett.
Judge Durkin also determined there was clear evidence Yurich left the scene after the crash, despite his claims yesterday on the witness stand that the collision brought back memories of Yurich's military service time in Iraq, which he said caused him to blank out about the crash itself. The judge pointed to Yurich's previous claims that he had struck a rock that night and needed to get his boat back home before it sank.
If one believes that the defendant did not know that anything happened until he was almost back to his dock, then obviously he could not have had any concern about the condition of the boat.
Yurich returns to court next Tuesday afternoon for sentencing. He could face up to 6 months in the county jail on each count, but could also receive probation. In Youngstown, Jerry Ricciuti, WKBN 27 First News.